After performing my own outside research, what more did you learn on this topic or issue? Please indicate your outside reference source. So the topic that I picked was the MLST and POLST, which MLST is the medical orders of life-sustaining treatment, and then the POLST is the physician orders for life-sustaining treatment. So according to the American College of Trust and Estate Council, MLST and POLST are two acronyms defining medical orders. The MLST is the medical orders for life-sustaining treatment, and the POLST is the physician orders for life-sustaining treatment. They're both the same thing, but in different states, they are called them by those two different names. They are documents that were generated in an effort to have a patient have the ability to have a conversation with their doctor about a particular affliction and whether or not they would want intubation, resuscitation, antibiotic treatment, as opposed to living with documents which are drafted by you and I. So this is such a very important topic because of the fact that you have to make sure that whatever document you decide to have filled out, whether it be when it comes to intubation or resuscitation, the resuscitation one would be like a DNR, which is do not resuscitate. And you see that a lot in older people who have terminal cancer, who have just a very hard, like they don't want to suffer anymore. So then that's when the DNR would take in place. What are the regulatory and or legal implications of this topic or issue for hospitals and providers? Clarifies whether the patient wants treatment to extend life, wants to receive only select medical interventions, or wants death to occur naturally. All adults should consider designating a healthcare proxy in writing an advance directive. Another thing that I want to point out is it's right here. It says, it is a standing order made part of the patient's medical record, and emergency personnel can follow it if the patient cannot speak for themselves. In some states, these orders are called MOLST forms, which is more accurate, as typically the order can be written to include specific types of providers, such as a physician assistant or nurse practitioner, in addition to a physician. So these forms are related to but different from an advance directive, which is living will, healthcare power, or attorney. So having a healthcare proxy and writing an advance directive, whereas the POLST or MOLST forms are appropriate only for individuals with serious illnesses or advanced frailty at the late stages of their lives. So essentially, only a POLST or an MOLST is an actual medical order. So the POLST framework originated in Oregon in 1991, and it is not to be confused with Oregon's Death with Dignity Act, which passed as a ballot initiative in 1997. So then that program developed independently by different groups with different goals. So essentially, these forms are so important for people who have long-term illnesses, and it's good to have them around. The only question that I had was, what was this form and why is it so important? And after doing all the research that I was supposed to have done, it really helped me understand. We learn a lot about different forms and how some can be used for this and others can be actually help. With these forms, I've never actually heard of them, so they didn't actually mesh well with any of the research that I've done before because of the fact that I have never actually heard of it.